Yeah, we have factorize a square minus 7a minus 30. In order to factorize this, we need to understand what does factorize mean and why do we factorize in mathematics. Very simple. We factorize to make many terms one term, to change many terms into one term. Well, so where should I begin? The simple way that I do always just to say equal, open your bracket, close another bracket, and then open another bracket, close another bracket. When you say that, look at your terms and you see first term is a square. The square term telling me that the first term in each bracket must be a. Well, now I need to look at the last term, the constant term, which is minus 30. And especially, I need to look at the sign, which is negative sign right now. What does this minus sign tell me? It tells me that the sign is inside the two brackets must be different, plus and minus. Here, I am almost done, but still something missing. What should I put then? What will be the last term in each bracket? In order to get this, we need go and check the middle term, which is minus 7a. And especially, we need to look at the coefficient of a, which is minus 7. Okay, now I need to go from minus 7 and go back to my constant term. Okay, now I need to ask myself, what are the factors that gives 30 and ignore the sign? Now, factors of 30. The first one is 1 times 30, second 2 times 15, and the third 3 times 10. Using natural numbers, we can get 30 in these 3 ways. Now, I need to find 2 factors. When I add them, gives me negative 7. Negative 7. Which ones? Okay, if I add 1 and 30, will not give me negative 7. 2 and 15 will not give me 7. In any way I try, it will not give me 7. What about 3 and 10? Let's try 3 and 10. If we add these 2 factors, can give me negative 7? Yes. How? If I add 3 to negative 10, it will give me negative 7. So what do I need? Now you find 3 and minus 10 gives you minus 7. That means in your bracket you are going to put 3 and minus 10. Ignore the negative sign and take the 10 and put here. Because why? Yes, it has got a negative sign already inside the bracket. And take the 3, it's positive 3, but in the next space of the first bracket. The same way, you are advised to check at your negative sign. That negative sign telling you the biggest number must always be negative number, which is negative 10. Therefore, a square minus 7a minus 30 equals a plus 3 times a minus 10. Before you write down and conclude that, check your answer. Is it correct or not? How should I check? Yes, multiply out again the bracket. What we get is a plus 3 times a minus 10. So this is binomial times binomial. So a times a will give me a square. A times minus 10 will give me negative 10a. 3 times a will give me plus 3a. 3 times negative 10 will give me negative 30. Now collect the like terms. The like terms we have is minus 10a and plus 3a, which gives me a square minus 7a minus 30. Therefore, my answer of a plus 3 times a minus 10 is correct. Thanks. One step for many and many and many questions. Use for it.